With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, it is given that if the tension in a string is increased by 21%, the fundamental frequency of the string changes by 15 Hz. Now, which of the following statement will also be correct? Now, the statements are regarding the fundamental frequency, the velocity of propagation, and the fundamental wavelength. Now, first of all, we can say that this option, D option, would be wrong. Because why? It is given that fundamental frequency is changing by 10%. We know that fundamental frequency depends upon the this length. So if length is remain constant, so it would not change by changing the tension. Fundamental frequency, this wavelength would remain same. So automatically D would be wrong. Now we need to just identify the this fundamental frequency and velocity of propagation. Now velocity of propagation is given as to be T divided by mu in the square root. And what is the fundamental frequency? We represent the fundamental frequency as F. It would be equals to fundamental frequency is V divided by 2L. Okay. So we know that V would be equals to, if we just rewrite this expression, putting the value of this V, so we get T divided by root this mu in the square root. So from this expression, what we can say? We can say that velocity is directly proportional to square root of tension, and fundamental frequency is also directly proportional to square root of tension. Now we come to our question. Now what we are doing? We are increasing the tension by 21%. Now from this expression, we first of all identify about the frequency. So we can say that F would be equals to K times of root T. Now what we are doing? Now when we increase the tension by 21%, so what would be the new tension? We say that T dash would be equals to what? Original tension plus 0.21 of T. So it would be equals to 1.21 T. So this would be the new tension. Now the frequency is becoming is changing by 15 Hz. That means it is increasing by 15 Hz. So the new frequency would be equals to F plus 15. This would be equals to K into square root of 1.21 T. This would be equals to what? Square root of 1.21. It would be equals to 1.1. So we can write it 1.1 K root T. Now what is the value of K root T? It is equals to F. So we can say that F plus 15. This would be equals to 1.1 times of F. Or we can say that if we take to the other side, so we can say that 0.1 F. This would be equals to 15. This would be equals to 15, or we can say that fundamental frequency, this would be equals to 150 Hertz. Okay. Now, if we check our first option, it is given that fundamental frequency is, original fundamental frequency is 150 Hertz. So A option is correct. Now we need to identify about the this change in the velocity of propagation. Now, what is the change in velocity? So we say that delta V would be equals to V dash minus V, the this final velocity minus the initial velocity. That means initial velocity with the tension T and the final velocity with the tension 1.21 T. So what it would be the percentage change in V? This would be equals to what? It would be equals to delta V divided by V, or we can say that delta V would be equals to V dash minus V divided by V. And if we multiply it, because we need to calculate the percent, so we need to multiply it by 100. So multiplied by 100, so it would turn out to be in percentage. So we can say that this would turn out to be equals to V dash by V minus 1 into 100%. So this would be the percent. Now what would be the value of V dash by V? We have already seen that V is directly proportional to T. So we can say that it would be, square root of T. So V dash would be equals to K square root of T dash, and V would be equals to K square root of T minus 1 multiplied by 100. So it would be in percentage. So K and K would be cancelled. What is T dash? T dash is 1.21 of T. So if we take the square root, it would be 1.1 square root of T divided by square root of T minus 1 multiplied by 100. So if we solve this, this would turn out to be 10%. So this would be 10%. So which is the correct option? Correct option would be the C. So automatically B would be wrong. So the correct option are A and C. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.